Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm sharing the best chicken burrito on the planet with you guys. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is the chicken breast. We will make thin slices of the chicken breast. So our chicken burrito will have home cooked rice, some black beans, sour cream, and it's gonna all come wonderfully great. So the first step is to slice the chicken. And now guys, let's fry this chicken up. So here, add oil in the pan, add the chicken in there. We will add some soy sauce in the chicken. So here goes with some soy sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of cumin, some salt, and we will stir fry this chicken now. Just make sure you separate every single piece because they're gonna stick together, and then it will be a hard time for us to stir fry this chicken. So in the second pan we will add rice. You can use any kind of rice, and here guys we will add the chicken stock in there. Chicken stock will definitely give an amazing flavor. So it's we will boil these rice until they are soft and cooked in the chicken broth. So it's been 5 minutes of stir frying the chicken. Now we will add a pinch of garlic powder in there. And we just need 5 more minutes to stir fry this chicken up. Wow, the aroma is awesome. The black pepper, the garlic, the cumin, and some salt. So it's been 8 minutes of stir frying the chicken. The chicken is ready. For now guys, just put the chicken on the side. Wow, what a beautiful color it has. So the next step, now guys, we will stir fry some of our beans. I mean it's gonna be lightly roasted without the oil. So we will add some black beans right in our small pan. Add a pinch of crushed pepper. So as you guys can see, they are starting to boil. We will use a potato smasher and we will just smash a little bit right on top. So these are canned beans, canned beans are already soft. So here we will just do it for another next 2-3 minutes until this water, it just starts drying up, and we will be all done in next 2-3 minutes. It's gonna be a kind of a bean paste. Not all the way, but crunchy bean paste. So it's been 5 minutes. The black beans are perfectly ready. So for now we will just take it out on the side, just like that. So here it's been 12 minutes total, and I'm pretty sure our rice is ready. Yep, they are all ready. So let's take out our rice on the side. So in 12 minutes, our rice, chicken broth rice, our beans, and our chicken is ready. So for now, we will just put it right here on the side. Here guys, we will take the burrito bread and we will try to heat it up for at least 2-3 minutes. Just a little bit, so the bread gets softer. Oops, it's hot. Alright, so the bread is hot enough to deal with. So first thing guys, we will take the sour cream and we will make a tiny layer right at the bottom. So here goes the bottom layer of the sour cream. Okay, perfectly done. Now guys, take the chicken and put directly right on top of your sour cream. Now take some rice, the home cooked chicken broth rice, and put it right on top of your chicken. Wow, the aroma of the rice. Take the beans, just drop some beans right on top. Okay, so here guys, take a cucumber and make 2-3 thin slices and put it right in there, just like that. Chicken burrito with the bean and the rice and the sour cream and the fresh grilled chicken. It's a wow. And the cucumber tops it off. Guess what I'm going to do next thing? I'm placing some more chicken right on top. And here, just like that, you take the sides, fold it in, you take the other sides and try to fold this whole guy, just like that. And this is homemade perfect burrito is done. So the moment of truth, you cut it right in the middle. And here you go. This is your beautiful chicken burrito. The best chicken burrito you can find. So guys, time to take the bite. Wow, as you can see the rice, you can see the chicken, you can see the beans, you can see the cucumber. Here it goes. Wow. Wonderfully done. Wow guys, wonderfully done. Do try this easy simple recipe. Everything is fresh, everything is homemade. I'll see you guys on the next video. Subscribe the channel and like the video, as I always say. See you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye now.